Hello, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to replace a front damaged grill on a 4300 International truck without spending a great ton of money. So let's begin. First of all, we're going to lift the hood. We're going to go to the top of the back of the grill and we're going to remove this guard here. We're going to remove this cover out of the way. We're going to pull out our new grill. It comes nicely wrapped. Normally you need a T30 to remove these bolts here. These screws on the bottom end. But this grill is so badly damaged, we're not going to be able to do that at this point, but I'm going to show you how to repair this problem. Next, what we're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver and we're just going to pry down on this clip here. And while you're doing that, you want to actually pull up on the grill, even if it means putting something on the bottom of it, and just pull up on it. We got 4 clips to do this way. Take a screwdriver, just pry her up. You had clips right here that we already loose there. There she go. The Ember do not come with a new grill, regardless if you get it from a aftermarket or get it from a dealer. It's not going to come with the grill, so we're going to remove the Ember and just be extra careful. It has an adhesive on it, and we're just going to work it loose. And if your grill do not come with any screws, you would need to remove them, and the inserts on the back of them, you're going to have to release them from the inserts, and the inserts would definitely be wore out. So you need some vice grip pliers. You're going to need a T30 to remove the screws. Tight down on the channel lock. You would definitely need 4 new inserts. As you know by now, I like to compare apples to apples. Here's your new grill, your old grill. New grill is pretty much identical. It even comes with the screen, just like the old grill. Got all the clips, attachments, just like the old grill. So I believe we're in pretty good shape. I just want you to see the price difference between the both grills. This is what we have. The grill also comes with 4 screws and 3 clips. I won't need them, but I can definitely use the new screws. Now I will say there is no doubt you will have to order 4 new inserts. There is no doubt. Here's the part number, the price range. I got these inserts from my local international dealer. Here you have 4 slots to install your inserts. Now it is time for us to remove our saran wrap and install our old Ember on our new grill. There is no need to purchase a new Ember. We just save our old Ember because this Ember is actually $82. So that's money saved. Only thing you have to do is just peel it off like we did. We're going to glue it on or use some type of adhesive to put it onto our new grill. In this video, I'm going to use Gorilla Glue. That works well for me. So use whatever glue works well for you. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Meanwhile, while the Ember is drying, you see these marks right here, these wear marks? It comes from this rubber piece that we have actually taken off. So if you have not seen my video on what damage that this can cause, make sure you see that and what to do. I've been riding right here. Taking time to do this can actually save you about $2,500 in damages. So if you have not seen my video, make sure you see that, because it would definitely help you to save your cooler.
Now that's another thing we can do before we actually put the grill on. It's a good time to actually clean your cores on your radiator, your charger, your condenser. And I'm going to use Super Clean. And this just going to take a water hose, a good strong water hose, and wash through the cores. Now we are ready to install our grill. So what we're going to do, these slots right here, we're going to concentrate on them first. Once the clips fit into the slot, they're going to lock in place. Make sure you have your corners tucked underneath your hood. Now it's time for our T30 along with our new screws. Make sure your insert is installed correctly. When you put it in the hole right here, that you actually have it going through the hole like so. That's how you want your inserts. Just push it in. All the way. When you push in your bottom of your grill, the grill will actually bump right into the inserts. Install our screws.
I like to start at the corner and tighten up my screws. And try not to over tighten your screws, because keep in mind your inserts are rubber. And if you over tighten them, they will actually come through the hole.
It's time to remove the tape off our amber. Open your hood and place back on your guard. Well, that's all it takes to replace your front grill on your 4300 International. Now make sure when you tighten these bottom bolts, these screws, that you do not over tighten. Just snug them in, because keep in mind those inserts, they are plastic. Think of the money that you have actually saved. 400 some odd dollars is a lot of money, but it's a lot better than spending what the international dealer would have charged you. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe, take care, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to let you know when I have a video to actually come out. God bless.